What's up, YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Today it's a little different from the Cavalier. We're going to be messing around a little bit with this, and I want to wax your car really bad if I can. At least watch it. Yeah, there's a slight issue here. I mean, I wouldn't call it an issue. It's drivable.
Oh yeah.
It's drivable.
It's drivable. All that horsepower just sitting under the hood.
Yeah. Dude, that's so sketch. You just took out the front, or what is it teetering on? Oh,
I got it.
the jacks. Okay. It's teetering on the jacks. That's sketch.
Is it like center?
Dude, I'm moving your whole...
Super safe.
Uh-huh.
It's like, it's unhooked and everything.
Yeah.
But
okay, you can't get it out? Oh.
Yeah, because the way that it is it's like this. This is a ring all the way around the nut.
Okay.
Holds the other, and it's pressed inside.
Mmm.
Factory press. So
you gotta cut it.
She's really in there, so I cut them all out. But
yeah.
That one's right above the gas tank, so I can't cut it.
So you're gonna have to mess with it and try to...
I really put my motor on sand too.
Oh, you got... Yeah. Okay, rip it apart and see what you can do to this thing. Put new injectors.
Yeah, that's nice and easy.
Cam.
I thought about doing a cam, but that's $300 for a cheap one.
A bigger cam, dude. You can make it bum bum bum. Do one of those.
Well, I'd buy a towing cam.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't f with the motor that much.
Yeah.
It just makes it more horsepower and more torque.
Oh, okay.
Or I could get a rough idle cam, and then I really gotta give it to him.
That's fun though.
Do all that.
Oh, you still need to mess with your OBD sensor.
Yeah, I gotta read
or
all the wire.
Yeah.
A black carpet in. Hopefully have a gray seat.
Mm-hmm.
And then spiff up all the plastic so it shines bright. Right.
Yeah, that's just detailing, really.
Carbon fiber of this.
Damn, dude, that's a lot of work. You got a whole project. Like, that's gonna take the whole summer to do.
I really tore into it. So there's no going back now.
Yeah, it's completely apart.
Yeah.
This is sitting in here until you finish it.
Pretty much.
Well, you got to put new mounts in it. You got to start by doing that.
I got all the mounts. I just gotta get them last two out, and I can bolt all that back together.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I still gotta do a brake line. I play with the rear gas tank, and then I guess I get into all this wiring.
Fun.
Figure out what I need and what I don't need.
We're gonna probably mess around a little bit with this truck here. I don't know what he wants to start with. Maybe we might start with that mount. I'll help him try to get that mount out, and then eventually we can put the stock mounts back in. And he wants to put the stock kit, lowering kit. Well, not the lowering kit. I'm sorry. The stock mounts in it, so it sits lower. And he wants it stock again. He's pretty much doing a whole restoration to this truck. It's just so much work to do. He really has his hands tied with all of this. This is gonna have to be ripped all apart and new gaskets and everything. Yeah, he has his hands full. He wants to do another touch up to the paint in here. I could probably help him with all this too. Get it looking like the Cliss's Customs Turbo Cavalier in here. Oh, it works. Look at that. So we're gonna go clean and buff Butch's car because it's dirty and dull and swirls up the ass in this. And to get rid of everything in there. And the paint, dude. Most of it. Well, this is gonna come out really black and nice. Yeah. It's gonna get rid of all the little scratches and shit you have on here. Fill it all in. But the thing is, you're gonna have to do it more than just one time for it to keep it like that and good. It'll just get better the more you do it too. Should we take our shirts off and start? What? So quick little update. What we were doing is cleaning and waxing the whole car here. You could see how shiny it is now. You can see all the sparkle he has in it. It's so nice in the sunlight. It's so glossy, and you see your reflection in the paint now. He has, well, on this side, I'll show you real quick. He has a lot of chips and dents, and you can see all over. It's pretty beat up. Like you could almost see, I don't know if you can see it in camera, but it's a little dented up there. So many chips on this side for absolutely no reason. But this fixed a lot of it. Got rid of a lot of scratches and shit. So what's that? Window cleaner? Window cleaner? Oh shit. Well, this ain't doing no good on the ground. But he's gonna get his windows real quick. And his car's done. Dude, this came out amazing, honestly. Dude, yeah, I'm telling you, all you have to do is the right kind of wax and It'll take everything out of your paint. And if you do it multiple times, it'll take it all out practically. Yeah, it's hard to see. So we got Mooch trying to take off that mount. Somewhere in there. I don't even, it's hard to see. You're just completely under this thing. Well, good luck with that. I'm gonna head off. No, okay. Yeah, it really is custom, huh?
Yeah, you like that? I somehow knocked that fucking thing off.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Oh, where's my big marmor?
Dude, I've been looking for this for like 2 days. I did all these with the little prime on.
Yeah. Well, it's not that much, but you need like the 3-foot one.
Yeah.
That'd take it right off. No problem. Damn. Well, we're gonna try to get this out. I don't know how to help.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's just. All right. After a bit of cutting, we were able to pretty much just cut these off. We were able to cut the mounts off here, junk. So they won't unbolt because they're all corroded and rusted on. Because the old truck is a 1990 F-150. You're never gonna have. This is pretty clean for a 90. We got the mounts off, all the mounts off, so body's just chilling on some jacks. I don't know how it's still like chilling like this. Now we have another issue. We got to put the new ones in. So, how does this sit? Now, what's the bottom and what's the top one? Oh, those sit like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure these 2 little ones, that one and that one, is the front.
The front.
I don't know which ones the big ones are. I don't, like, obviously it's one in the back too, but.
Yeah. Wait, are you missing something?
Yeah, it's somewhere by my lawnmower.
Oh. Oh, it was on your lawnmower. Literally on top of it. Oh, you just tripped me. Well, that goes on there.
Yeah.
Why is there so many?
6. 3 per side.
Really?
Front, middle.
Oh, there's more. Okay, yeah.
I did 4.
Okay.
You just did 2.
I see the, is that supposed to still be in there?
Oh, I just
that one
there when I dropped the truck.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So it's just sitting on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I see the other spot for the mount there.
Yeah.
So these are probably it's the most amount of room. You just got to look at the frame, I guess, because we're gonna have the big one sitting where the frame is the lowest, and the small ones obviously go up front here somewhere. All right, sorry for the lack of recording today. We're just trying to actually get this done. So what we did, I'll show you real quick. Right here, we have the stock mounts on. They're not spaced or anything. We have to still level the whole truck. But as you can see, all of them are, as you can see right here, this is where it originally was sitting, and now it's sitting down here. It's sitting completely on the stock mounts. We don't have any of the spacers on, so it might go up maybe a 1/4 inch or something. As soon as we get this all leveled, we have to actually get a level on it somehow, and this isn't even a flat area here, but we're gonna try to even the whole body out.
Yeah, it's uneven.
Yeah, it is. It's really weird. Hello.
Sorry.
Put a oh, you're probably gonna need a washer because of this.
So it doesn't?
We could put like 2 of them on each mount, so it gives it just enough clearance so when you tighten them down, because it's gonna compress a little once. Oh, you might need 3 then, because it is gonna compress. You might have to put all 3. Yeah, how many? Oh, we have a ton. We're gonna have to swap the big ones out. So in the front,
You got small, medium, large.
we got a shit ton in
That's
here.
probably why that one didn't fit on your side. You probably got the large one.
I had the super big one, yeah.
Is that a medium one or is that?
That might be a
Small one.
That's a small one? Oh yeah, we're gonna need a medium one in that one. Yeah. Oh shit.
Scaly.
Yeah, as soon as you get a medium one in. Jesus Christ. Why is that one so thick? Just one thick ass one? We have no instructions on how to put this in, so we're kind of like guessing here. Little update here. All the spacers on the bottom there, we got all the mounts in and everything. It's sitting literally on the mounts.
Yeah.
Now. Still shifts around. Oh no, it's like part of it now.
Yeah, now the whole thing works.
But we gotta.
I think it's gotta come over. Oh.
It does. Well,
I just got it.
there it is. It looks pretty even now. Perfect. That's a lot of play in that steering wheel, buddy.
It's always had that.
It has to probably be adjusted, and we just have to find the right size, and we can bolt them all down. Factory spec too.
How big is this? Oh, what's that? 3 Uggas?
Just about 3,500 Uggas. Oh, look at how low that is. We gave it. It's a little more of a gap now. This was touching practically. but it came up maybe a 1/4 inch, about the size of your finger.
Or it's something else.
I hope that other thing isn't the size of your finger. That's pretty small, buddy. That's like a pencil. Oh, you're trying to tell me something?
That was my nickname.
Oh man. Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Alright. Yep. You alright?
I hit myself in the head.
Oh shit.
I let go of the ratchet.
Yeah.
And it's one of the bendable ones.
Yeah.
So it unbent on me and smashed me in the head.
Alright, ready? Yeah. I wonder if that straightened it out a little bit too.
I would assume so.
Oh no, that looks pretty mint, dude. It doesn't look really off. Is there like a bad facing weird way or a little bit? Sorry.
Won't know until I drop the bed.
No, yeah. Alright, let's get the front here. Alright, we're gonna have Mooch go over the back real fast with a ratchet, make sure they're nice and tight. Well, it's gonna be easy with the, or hard with the small one. Or are you still cranking? Oh, that's probably spinning. Alright, boy. Got this bitch all together. She's not rocking no more. She's all mounted and bolted down. It's good to go, dude.
Big bag.
Hell yeah. What's the next step you think you want to do?
I don't know.
Don't know yet.
To run the gas line or the brake line that's broke, but I mean that's only one line.
It's easy, yeah.
They're going into this.
That's a
I
mess.
only need to trace it from this one back,
Yeah.
and hopefully I find what I'm looking for.
You know what we should do tomorrow? We should hit up the skate park.
I'm down.
Dude, I'm down. Oh yeah, so I'll continue this video tomorrow if you guys want to watch that. I used to record us biking all the time. It was nuts. I'll continue this tomorrow. Now today, we're going to go load up our bikes here, put it in the trunk, and we're going to head off to the skate park and hit some jumps, bro. If you guys would like to see, I'm going to record all that. Some a little change to the channel. Not going to happen all the time, but yeah. Got Moofy right there. My paint's chipping like a motherfucker. Yo, that's kind of dope having it just metal. Like it's just cracking. This is another process we have to go through. Trying to load our bikes up inside of the trunk of Fusion. Yeah, I'll help you. Oh God. There you go. Now you should have a little more room to get it in. Alright, now it's tricky. Now it's gonna be the tricky part getting another biking. We got the bikes loaded up here. We're gonna go hit the skate parks. Go vroom vroom. Beep beep. Yeah, I know everything's like super smooth. We waxed everything. Hell yeah. So we're at the little skate park here. It's awesome. Everything's closed, so we're not actually technically supposed to be here. But we're gonna send it anyways. Try to get this. Oh mother. So we're gonna hit up the skate park and see what we can do. This is pretty cool. It's little, but yeah, it will work. Get a nice little smoke off it. Yeah, dude. Just a quick look. We've got a bunch of little shit here. This ramp that's probably not supposed to be here, but it works. Got these two things here. This little section is pretty sick. Got, I don't know what's going on over there. I haven't even hit any of that yet. We got the little fly box here. This is definitely made for skateboarders. Holy, I don't know, it's pretty cool for instead of driving, it's not far at all from his house. Yeah?
I'm kind of scared to try it on flying.
Yeah. Dare you to ride up this? Do tail whip off that.
Tail whip?
Off that ledge.
Yeah. Big jump. Somebody that's good.
Sketchy. Go the wrong way.
Oh! Caught my peg.
So, I was messing around with my bike here and I learned that all of this is just chipping away my paint. I painted this all myself. Nice. I painted all this myself, and now it's all chipping from probably the heat and cold going on. I keep this in the garage all year, so what I'm planning on doing is sanding all this away and keeping it the brushed metal, and then clear coating that and keeping my bike looking like the brushed metal look. I think that would be pretty cool. And another thing Mooch is doing here, which you see he's about to do right now. Damn. This was sitting on top of that, so we moved it back so we could make it a little bit further. I'm about to go hit it now. Can I put it here? You like that little slide I did down the ramp? You gonna push it more? You're nuts. Or push it out of the way? No, you're absolutely crazy. Yeah, no, we're gonna film this. I don't know, 3, closer to 3 feet, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. That's a gap right there, dude. God damn. Yeah? Jump into it, pussy. Jesus Christ. Alright, well. Jesus Christ, dude. How big is your foot? A foot? Okay.
So that's like
6 feet?
Wow.
6 feet plus however big this platform is. That's a gap and a half. Are you sure you want to do that? Like hospitals, you don't want to go to a hospital right now. Okay. Yeah. So today, we're literally just messing around at the skate park. We don't really have much to do. No one's around. The disease is out, so we're just chilling. No one's gonna be at any like skate park. They're all supposed to be closed. Well, we're here. Here he goes, trying to make this. Damn, that's close, man. We're back. We're done biking. We're messing around for a little bit here. I fell a few times doing stupid shit, but we're gonna head back to his house. So I'm just gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, it's probably a little shorter, but if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.